Lot 2994B. Here we have ourselves 2007 Kawasaki ULTRA 250X turbocharged jet ski. It's got an engine problem. We're tearing this machine down into parts. Our phone number is 218-844-4968. It's a freshwater jet ski from North Dakota. Every piece on this machine, including the hull, will be for sale. If you're interested in any of these parts, give us a call at 218-844-4968. The hull's got a couple scratches in it. Doesn't appear to have any holes. This came in from a dealer. Some of the pieces are already taken off. We can't bench test the gauge, but we do know it was all working. It's a very clean looking jet ski. Thanks for stopping by.